want to talk about SpiceJet first. That's the first stock that's on my radar. Now, why is this stock in momentum today? You'd like to know, viewers. And that's one reason is that the Supreme Court has dismissed Kalanidhi Maran and KL Airways plea against a Delhi High Court ruling rejecting their 1,323 crore rupees damages claim from SpiceJet. Remember, both Kalanidhi Maran and KL Airways had challenged the Delhi High Court's 23rd May order that had dismissed their pleas due to delays. The division bench of Justices C. Hari Shankar and Ajay Digpal had refused to condone a 55-day delay in filing and a 226-day delay in the refiling of their appeals, calling their conduct as calculated gamble and accusing them of deliberately concealing information from the court and from SpiceJet also. Now, condonation of a delay refers to seeking the court's permission to file a case or appeal after the legal deadline has actually lapsed. Under the Limitation Act, parties typically have a 90 days time period to file an appeal from a single judge's decision to a division bench. If they miss this deadline, they must explain the delay to seek condonation, which the Delhi High Court did not accept in this case. Remember, in 2015, Kalanidhi Maran and KL Airways had transferred their entire stake in SpiceJet to Mr. Ajay Singh for a nominal 2 rupee amid the financial crisis, and the airline was virtually on a shutdown kind of a situation. And as part of the deal, Mr. Singh, Ajay Singh, who became SpiceJet's chairman and managing director, took over the liabilities of about 1,500 crore rupees. The stock is in focus. Any idea as to how to look at this stock right now?
Well, I believe currently, the stock has picked up momentum because of the news factor which you just mentioned. Otherwise, technically, the price structure is negative. It's that because of news, you have this bounce back scenario. So very difficult trade if you are looking at reversals. Still, the evidence is not conclusive enough to take a long-term bet on this stock. Right now, at the levels of 40 odd where it trades, this pullback rally can extend till around 42. There is a support building up at 39.5. So 42 is the short-term trading target you can work with. Long-term, really, the trend is weak. And till we get conclusive evidence, it's too early to take a directional bet.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.